Okay, so moving on to the next step, there's one thing I wanted to show you real quick. If you scroll down, you log into your Coinbase account, you scroll down here, you'll see that it's walking you through all the steps you need to complete. Confirm your email address, we did that early. Add a payment method, we did that in the last video. I didn't do it with this account because I just have this as a test account to show you how to do this. I have a different account, obviously. I want to keep that secure and private as possible, so I'm going to use it as little as possible for these recordings. But you should have this checked off, because in the last video I walked you through how to set up a payment method. Again, I recommended doing a credit or debit card because it's fast, so getting started, that's what I recommend, so you can take advantage of the opportunities right away. The sooner you get going with all this, even if it's just with a little capital, the sooner you start seeing the opportunities that are out there, the faster you're going to be able to take advantage of them. But I do also recommend, and I recommended in the last video, you set up a bank account for larger Bitcoin purchases in the future when you're ready for that. Right? Just start with a debit or credit card at first because it's instant. So yours should be green with a check mark there. And then last, it says add your phone number. So you can click anywhere in here in this section. I would just click add your phone number, enables two-factor authentication. And you'd come to a page like this. Now, while you were setting up your payment method, you may have already run into this and done it, but I just want to mention they're doing everything to have a lot of security, and just one of those measures is this step where you're going to enter your phone number. I'm going to enter my cell number, and so they can do additional. And I don't mind letting you see my number here. I'm here to answer questions, although I could be getting thousands of messages a day, in which case, when that happens, I won't be able to obviously return all the calls, but feel free to reach out if you're having trouble. It's possible that I will be able to reach back. If my voicemail is full, then you know what happened. Okay, so there's my number. Enter yours. This allows you to have more security. So that's why they're asking for this. So we'll hit next. It says we just sent an SMS. So they sent me a text message to my phone. So when you do that, they're going to send one to yours. I'm going to open that up and look for the text message from them. And you would enter that code here. So that's my code that I got. If you're having trouble, you can have it resend it, another text message. But once you enter the code that it sent you by text message to your phone, hit verify phone number right here. And then again, it's taking me to payment because I didn't set it up for this account, because this is just a test account for me to walk you through this. Obviously, with my account that I use, I've already set up both the bank account and the credit debit card. So you've already done this, so it may move you right to buy. Let's go there real quick. And again, while you're here, I would strongly, it won't let me do that because I need to enter this in. So check the next video. I'll log into, I have two accounts, someone else in the other in the family. I'm going to log into one of those to show you how to buy. So I'll see you in the next video. And let's go ahead and make a purchase, because whether it's from $1 to $100 or more, I want you to get involved so you don't make the mistake I did 5 years ago. It took me about 5 years to get this because I didn't put a little skin in the game. Get a little cryptocurrency, starting with Bitcoin, so I can then move you quickly into investing, and then wow, when you start seeing the returns that you get, like, you get it, and you're going to be way ahead of the curve. So meet me in the next video, and let's make a purchase. And let's get you started with making incredible returns by getting in front of this transformative industry. See you soon.